Let's take the time out of the day to Google Remy Ma. We gonna just Google Remy Ma and we gonna go to her images. Okay, y'all see this bitch? This is Remy Ma images. And we just gonna scroll, bitch. We gonna scroll. Oh! Who the fuck is this? Who is this? Bitch, this like the second row. Bitch, try again. What's going on, Insane Gang? Bitch, if you're hearing a motherfucking video, bitch, y'all got me fucked up. The world got me fucked up. BET got me fucked up. The whole award ceremony got me fucked up. Everybody got me fucked. How? Bitch, tell me how. How the fuck do a motherfucking man, I ain't even gonna do it, bitch. I'ma just hit the whole effect, bitch. I ain't even gotta insult her ass, bitch. You already see how she look with that motherfucker 12 ass dress she been chewing on, bitch. That motherfucker wasn't like that. That hoe just got hungry backstage. Look, bitch. Come on, let's just get into the shit, bitch. So, a bitch who ain't even drop a good album this year wasn't even on the motherfucking charts, bitch. You made a song diss to another bitch. We gonna get this motherfucking reaction video, bitch, for my motherfucking. Oh, bitch, I forgot my new braids, bitch. I ain't got a little fake little ponytail, bitch. We ain't gotta talk about, bitch. I ain't want these black girls to be like, oh my god, my hair real, bitch. It's not. It's a little weaving into this bitch so I can get a little pony, bitch. Okay, don't try to snatch you, bitch. I'll snatch all your shit out. Alright? Okay, let's go. Caesar from Atlanta Apes. Look at this bitch. Oh my god, what is this? This is not the right video. Is it? Oh. Okay.
I just want to say, y'all bitches got fat while we starved.
Bitch, you still?
Shots in your ass, pads in your bra.
Her body is fake too, though. Like, this bitch has surgery too. Why is she acting like? How she gonna call a song that don't nobody know? Bitch, don't nobody know that. Bitch, don't nobody know that fucking song. Shot, bitch, what? Have you heard the song, bitch? Shot say her ass fat. Bitch, your body is fake too. Don't try to come with me with fake bodies if your shit fake too, bitch. You weren't born like that. Cause she talking about some old she got butt implants, she got plastic surgery and ass shots, bitch. Rod took you to her doc, but you don't look like Rod. Left the operating table, still look like nah. Act like don't look at her big ass, deep ass voice. Bitch, her butt ain't real. Her butt ain't real, and she go, oh my god, this bitch really thought she was the shit. Ho, if it wasn't for Nicki, you wouldn't have walked across that stage. I don't know how she won anyway, even if Nicki was there, but you got Young Ma. She's a great motherfucking lyricist, bitch. Cardi B, like, bitch, she had red bars like her. She had a good year too. Like, she had some good ass songs too. Red bars are straight, like, good lyrics too, bitch. This bitch threw a whole bunch of lies into a song about a poppin' bitch and won an award. I didn't know they fucking gave awards out to gorillas, bitch. Oh! I'ma stop throwing shade, bitch. I'ma just stop because look. Shout out to all y'all Remy Ma fans, bitch, who gonna dislike the motherfucking video. I don't give a fuck, cause this is my opinion, bitch. You have your title, your opinion, this is the title for mine. If I think that bitch look like motherfucking Big Bird from Sesame Street, then that's what the fuck I'ma think. It's okay though, because dumb nigga got like 9 or 10 of them bitches. Bitch, don't be too hype on the stage cause you always won one award that my bitch done won 8 or 9, 10 times. Like, come on now, pipe down a little bit. You up here reciting lyrics and shit, bitch. Nigga be get up there, oh shit, bitch, I gotta go up there again. Bitch, her knees hurt, bitch. Her knees hurt, bitch. That's how many times she won a fucking award, bitch. By this time, y'all should at least gave the bitch one, cause shit, that's like winning the Super Bowl like 90 times in a row, and then one time another team win. Like, bitch, I won a hella times already. I just don't understand. Like, I really don't understand. I don't understand how, why, when, where, what the fuck went wrong in BET head. But you know what happened, bitch? The ratings, the drama, the this. Everybody wanna see the black people go against each other. Migos was fighting and shit, and Chris Brown almost got to it, and Safari got ran up on. Like, it's all been black people fighting other black people. Like, damn. That's what the fuck they want us to do. It's BET, yeah, this is that, but all y'all doing is from motherfucking violence. All y'all doing is keeping this shit going so y'all can get ratings, so y'all can get views, bitch. Bitch, I don't gotta throw motherfucking shit, bitch. I got those straight facts. BET is messy as fuck, and all they wanna do is get them some ratings. So that's why they wanna do shit like this and throw bitches that they know don't deserve the award. Cardi B, Young Ma, Missy Elliott, bitch, I'm better. Like, that song was popping on the radio. When have you heard this bitch on the radio? When have you been riding down the street and heard one of her new songs and real like, okay, she got some good throwback songs like that one one song that she got apply her one plaque, bitch. Oh, you the queen of this here? One platinum plaque album flop, bitch. Where? But how the fuck she win an award? How you got one platinum plaque and your album flopping? Cardi B got hits on the radio. I've heard her multiple times just going down the street, bitch. I've heard bitch, Missy Elliott, I'm better in what the fuck? She ain't drop shit else, but I'm better. But shit, they was like on the radio, like they songs did good. I'm just confused on how the fuck she won. Then this bitch gonna try to go on stage and throw shots. How you gonna throw shots at the hand that fed you, bitch? If it wasn't no Nicki Minaj, there would be no motherfucking bitch. Let's just Google. Let's take the time out of the day to Google Remy Ma. We gonna just Google Remy Ma and we gonna go to her images. Okay, y'all see this bitch? This is Remy Ma images. And we just gonna scroll, bitch. We gonna scroll. Oh! Who the fuck is this? Who is this? Bitch, this like the second row. Let's keep scrolling, bitch. Oh! Who is that, bitch? Oh! 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 Next, bitch, again. Damn, bitch. Like, come on now. Let's be for real. Let's look at the facts, bitch. Like, we don't, like, she made you hold. Like, she brought you back. You didn't hit a lick, make a good ass song. Yo, come back. No, bitch. You fucked with another bitch and got up on your rap. Just to be fair and all fairness, bitch, we just gonna Google Nicki Minaj. Okay? I wanna see, like, where y'all see Remy at. Cause she gonna come, but she ain't gonna come in the motherfucking first or second row. Where she at? What? Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Where she at? Where Remy at? Where Remy? Remy, where you at? Big back ass bitch. Exactly, bitch. Cause she don't need Remy to be the bad bitch. She did her shit on her own. You Google Remy Ma, Nicki Minaj gonna pop up, bitch. You know who you gonna Google when you Google Nicki Minaj? Nicki my motherfucking Minaj. Y'all need to stop playing with me in this motherfucking. Y'all need to stop playing this BET Awards. Y'all need to all stop playing with me, bitch. Stop playing with me. Got motherfucking Sasquatches winning awards and shit. Okay, bitch, I'm done, y'all. I'm just over the whole shit, bitch. BET Awards just blew my fucking life. Why? BET, like, I know y'all, like, did y'all feel bad or something? Like, did y'all see that bitch look kind of, like, fucked up? Y'all was like, let's just throw her at least one. Like, shit, it's been a while. That's it, motherfucking video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, y'all. This is my opinion on motherfucking Remy Ma and the whole getting an award on all the other shit, bitch. If you mad, I don't give a fuck. Comment what you want to comment. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I will definitely clap back. So if you got something to say, bitch, and say I don't give a fuck. I ain't one of these soft ass YouTuber, bitch. Say something. You think you saying something gonna make me upset, bitch? I don't give no fuck. Bye. Dumbass bitch. My bitch Nicki still somewhere in Dubai, probably sipping with her motherfucking feet up with $100,000 this time, $1 million that bitch. And Remy Ma at home still talking about a motherfucking award that this bitch done won like 8 times already. Get your life, bitch. Follow me on my other social medias, my Twitter, Instagram, my Snapchat, motherfuckers on the base swapping on the see them last bitch. And if you this motherfucking video, make sure to stop on the light of my let that bitch know who really should have won the BET Award, who really is the motherfucking queen of rap, bitch. You can Google it right now. Who is the queen of rap? And Nicki Minaj will pop up, bitch. Everybody pull out your bitch. After you watch this video, Google who is the queen of rap, and I bet you $20, Nicki Minaj's face gonna pop the fuck up and her name. And Siri gonna tell you, bitch. Okay? That next motherfucking video and same gang. Bitch, we out.